Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and if you're not, welcome back. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit, guys. Girl, I do have my green wig on today. I did not feel like doing my hair today, so I was like, that's what wigs are for. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought from my 21 days of beauty sale. I did buy some goodies, so I'm going to show you guys what I bought. I bought some stuff. Not everything that I bought was from the actual 21 days of sale. Some stuff I just bought, and some stuff was on sale, but it wasn't part of the 21 days. I do have a couple stuff, not too much, but yeah. Okay, so I do have the box in front of me. It came in a couple it came in different packages because each day well, not every day, but the days that I did order, it came in a different bag or box, so I put everything in one box. I actually didn't start buying anything until like the middle of the sale because I actually didn't know it was going on. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything one by one. There are two products that I bought that wasn't part of the sale, but I did buy, and they're not in here because they're in the bathroom, in the bathtub. So I will insert a picture of it. The first thing is a spray. It was by the Marc Anthony hair product line. I forgot the name of it, but it's supposed to help your hair grow, and it's actually a leave-in conditioner. It's supposed to help your hair grow. It has caffeine, and it's supposed to help your hair get detangled and stuff, and I really like it. I've used it a couple times already, and girl, so after you shower, you're supposed to put it on your hair from root to the bottom, and then you're supposed to brush it in. My hair gets detangled so easily, and I can brush it without like pulling my hair and stuff. It is amazing, and it smells really good, and it leaves my hair really soft. I haven't noticed the growth yet just because it's been a couple of days that I've been using it, but you're supposed to put it on every time you wash your hair. The second product is also a hair product. It's from L'Oreal. I forgot the name of it as well, but it's supposed to help repair your hair from damage, from breakage. It's supposed to help repair 5 things in your hair, and I forgot what it was. You're supposed to put it on after you shampoo, leave it on your hair for 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. Oh my god, I love it so much. I have noticed with it already after a couple of tries that it is helping my hair. So when I got my highlights done, because you know I got highlights, right here on the sides there was a lot of breakage, and you could tell when I would pull my hair back, and I was like, oh my god, what the fuck. So I did start using that conditioner, and girl, I love it. I can already see a difference. It is helping the breakage of my hair, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna look after a couple of months and stuff. So you should try it. That was really affordable. It was like $5.99, and it wasn't even on sale. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the first product. So I'm not gonna go in order of the order that I bought it because I don't remember what order I bought it, but I'm just gonna go one by one. So the first thing that I did order was the MAC Fix Plus. I was running out, and I was like, it was on sale for half off. So the 21 days of beauty, everything is 50% off. So, well, the select products. So I was like, yes. So I did get the original scent. I did want the rose one, but I don't think the rose one was on sale, just the original one, and it's fine by me. I use either one. I do like the rose one better just because it smells better, but it's fine. The next thing that I bought, and I'm actually excited to try because I've never tried this before, it's by Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. This is her foaming face wash. Dude, this is huge, and it was half off, so I was like, hell yeah. I haven't tried anything from her skincare brand, and I'm excited to because I've heard really good reviews on her skincare stuff. Oh, this smells so good, so I'm excited to try this. This is a foaming face wash. What does it say about it? It's infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. Ooh. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, brightening complexion. And then it just tells you how to use it. I'm actually going to try this out later when I take my makeup off. So I'm going to go ahead and put this next to my makeup wipe so I can go ahead and use it. So the next thing is something also that I've never tried before. This is by Urban Decay. This is their eyeshadow primer potion anti-aging eye primer. I always wanted to try it, but girl, it's pricey. And I really love my MAC eye primer, the Pro Pot. So I'm excited to try this out. If you guys have tried this, let me know if you guys like it or not. If I don't like it, I won't be too mad that I bought it because it was 50% off. So we'll see how that turns out. The next thing is from Maybelline. I don't believe this was part of the 21-day sale, but I still bought it. But it was on sale though. This is Maybelline's Glass Spray, and it's supposed to have the skin look hydrated with a dewy finish. I don't know why I got interested in this. I don't know why I bought it. Maybe because I wanted to try new setting spray. I don't remember. But yeah, if you guys have tried this one, let me know. I'm excited to try it out. So put it right there. The next thing is also by Urban Decay. This is their All-Nighter Face Primer Long Grip Foundation. This is their All-Nighter Face Primer Long Wear Foundation Grip Primer. It primes, smooths, and perfects. So I was also want to try this primer, but again, it is pricey. So I was like 50% off. Why not? And yeah, I like how it has a pump. It's supposed to prep, smooth, and perfect. So if you guys have tried this out, also let me know. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Should I return it? Should I buy more? I don't know. The next things are lip liners. Are these lip liners? Are they? Yeah, so I got 2 lip liners from KKW Beauty, Miss Kim Kardashian. These were on sale for 50% off too. I got the shade Red 2 and the shade Nude 2. I actually want to get all of them, but I was like, what if I don't like them, you know? It's a waste of lip liners. So, oh, I do like the packaging though. Like, get out. Oh my god. Come on. This is what they look like. I've never tried anything from Kim Kardashian's beauty brand, so I'm excited to try these out because they are pricey. So there we go. So I got a red one, and then oh, that's a pretty shade. It's like a red orangey shade, and then this nude brownish shade right here. Let me know if you try these. Let me know. So the next thing is by NYX. This is their Line Load 2-in-1 Lippy. So I think this is a lip liner slash lipstick. This was also on sale. This is in the shade Girl Plays. This is the right there. It is a really pretty shade. I like the sponge. I'll try it on next time I use a pink lipstick. The next thing, did I get? No, these are supposed to be in here. Those are my makeup wipes. Where are they in there? So the next thing is by Ulta Beauty. This is their Cool Comedy Cooling Gel Face Primer. This was also on sale, and it caught my interest because it has green tea and rice silk powder, and I was like, what? It's supposed to moisturize and help reduce the appearance of pores. So that's another reason why I got it, because girl, I got big pores. So I'm excited to try this out. If you guys have tried it, let me know. Okay, put that in my cart. The next thing is also by Ulta Beauty, and this is just a nail file. I do my own nails now. You guys can see. Super cute. Can you guys see the nail? And this was on sale for like less than $1 or $1. So I was like, hell yeah. And it comes with a little case. So like, yeah. So that's what I got. The next thing, well, the next two things are by Tarte. This is their ultra, what the fuck is wrong with me today? Their ultra creamy shade tape concealer. I have not tried this one and I really wanted to try it, and it was 50% off. So like, hell yeah. I got the shade 27H, I believe. Yeah, 27H light medium honey. Have you guys tried this? Let me know. The other thing by Tarte is their DIY brow detailing pen. I found this really interesting. This is on the first time hearing about this product was on the sale, so I haven't seen any reviews on it or anything. I've actually never seen anyone else use it, so I'm excited to try it out because I do have horrible eyebrows, and anything that can help them out would be amazing. Although I didn't do them today because I was wearing the wig, and if you can see them, I don't care. But yeah, so it's supposed to be like a literal, what comes with a little spoolie. It's supposed to be a literal pen. You can hear the little bolita, and it's actually a pen. I'm actually gonna watch someone else use it because I don't want to like waste it, so I'm gonna look up someone else reviewing it and using it to see how they use it, because girl, and then I think this is the last. Oh no, I have two more things. The other thing is by Anastasia. This is their clear brow gel. Now listen up. I've been wanting to try this out since it came out, but again, it is a little bit pricey, so it's like, oh yeah, it's 50% off. So I did get it. I've heard really good reviews on it, although I do want to try their other new brow product, the clear thingy pot. I don't even know the name of it, but yeah, so I'm excited to try it out. Next time I do my eyebrows, I'm for sure gonna try this out. And then the last thing is nothing too crazy, nothing too dramatic, nothing too, oh my god, I just got more cotton balls. These are actually really affordable. They're like $1 something, and it's like a big bag. I don't know how many. Oh, there's 100 cotton balls in here. For like $1 something, girl, why not? I also got Q-tips, but they're already in my bathroom. I also got makeup wipes. They're already in the bathroom too. And then I think that's it. That's all I got. If I would have known they were having them earlier, I would have probably bought a shitload of more makeup. That's it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna be having another haul coming up pretty soon. I'm gonna order some stuff from Shop Miss A. Maybe I have it in the cart. I just need to check it out. I don't know why I haven't checked it out yet. And then this is the 5th video I filmed this week. Today's Saturday. Yeah, today's Saturday. Thursday I filmed one video. Yesterday, Friday, I filmed 2 videos. And then today I filmed a tutorial. And then I'm filming this one, and I think that's it for this week. I'm obviously not gonna have all 5 up next week. I'm probably gonna upload 1 or 2 next week, and then leave the other ones for the following weeks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll say it again, and yeah, bye guys, love you.